Hi guys, Julie here from Renovating Made Easy with an update for the renovation. As I said, I don't have a lot of trades lined up because they've been so busy and then they've been on holidays, but I have had the re-stumping guy in, which has been really good. I'm not sure if you remember this really big crack here in the wall, but there was a really huge gap between the broken piece, and that with the re-stumping has come back almost to each other again. I probably still will need to get the wall replaced, but it just shows how much the re-stumping has levelled up the house so that those pieces of plaster have pretty much just come back together. So it feels really good in the areas that I asked him to re-stump. He wanted to do a lot more and I asked him not to because I wanted to keep my budget down, but basically can best be described as my first fuck up. So you walk into the bathroom and you feel like you're going to be seasick because it's on such an angle, because he didn't do the back of the house because I asked him not to. So I just rung him and just said to him, you're probably going to think I'm a pain in the ass, but do you think you could come back and give me a quote to do the back part of the house? Because that whole sort of back section there where the sleep out is, the bathroom and the laundry, it's very much on a lean. It's very noticeable, and I don't think it's going to be great when the house looks beautiful, people to walk in and feel such a lean. So yes, he did laugh and he said, yes, you are a pain in the ass, but I will come and I'll give you a quote to do the rest of it. So there you go. There's going to be probably quite a few things like that I'll be dealing with, having to fix. And now that I'm going to spend more on the stumping, I'm going to have to try and pull that from elsewhere in the budget. So that's going to be my next challenge. Just thought I'd share that with you though. So enjoy the rest of your day and I will speak to you in the next video. Bye.